The Vibe Seago series are premium battleships for fishing. They come equipped with all the features kayak anglers demand. Features like tackle tray holders, fish finder transducer port, and top-loading gear tracks for all of your track-mounted accessories. They come with a pre-installed rudder system to save energy on long paddles, windy days, and strong currents, controlled by adjustable foot braces with tow rockers that move the rudder left and right. Features that help you venture farther when chasing down your next catch. Seagos come equipped with the Vibe Versa console, with dual mini hatches and bungees for all of your fishing gear, a magnetic tackle holder, and hinged access to the storage area. Other features include dual top loading gear tracks for rod holders or fish finders. The Seagos hulls are designed to blend speed and stability, so anglers can get where they're going faster and stand when they get there. There are flush mount rod holders in the back, as well as a rear tank well with adjustable bungees. There's also a quarter-turn V-wave hatch located behind the seat, and up front, a large, low-profile, waterproof hatch to keep all of your gear dry, and a fast-access paddle park. And for those long days out on the water, the Vibe Hero seat provides comfort and support, including a high and low seating position. So you can spend hours getting more of out there. Adventure awaits with the Seago series from Vibe. Available in 13-foot and 11-foot lengths. No drama, just adventure.
The all-new Sorrento delivers comfortable paddling performance in a value-packed recreational touring package. For straight like an arrow tracking, deploy the drop skeg with a conveniently placed skeg release cord. Retract the drop skeg for easy, quick maneuverability. Equipped with comfortable bow and stern toggle-style carrying handles and available in 2 smaller sizes, the Sorrento loads and unloads quickly and easily from your vehicle. The Sorrento series features the premium, fully adjustable ACS 2-seat, padded thigh braces, and ample legroom with adjustable padded foot braces. With a large stern bulkhead with click seal hatch, the Sorrento ensures that your gear stays stowed and dry while out on the water. If you're searching for a recreational kayak that's priced just right with premium features that's easy to handle on and off the water, look no further than the Old Town Sorrento series. We recommend pairing the new Sorrento series with our all-new Old Town Solitude Paddling PFD. Featuring a high-back construction and designed to integrate nicely with our ACS 2 seat with fleece-lined hand warmer pockets, this jacket will keep you on the water exploring longer.
The Sea Eagle RazorLite is the world's first all-drop-stitch construction inflatable kayak. This unique design provides the performance of a rigid kayak with the portability of an inflatable kayak. No bulky car racks and powerlifting to get you to the water. It's just 33.5 pounds. Simply unroll, inflate with the super fast high-pressure electric pump, and go. It's super light and easy to get to the water. The RazorLite bow slices through the water, making it fast in a sprint and easy to paddle for miles on end. Unlike other inflatable kayaks that use tubes to construct the shape, the RazorLite utilizes the new drop stitch material with hundreds of thousands of threads inside to create a rigid high-pressure floor and narrow high-pressure sidewalls.
This enables the RazorLite to be inflated to 10 psi. That's much higher than any other inflatable kayak on the market.
The sidewalls are narrow with more space in the cockpit. It's a super rigid high-performance kayak weighing in at just 33.5 pounds. The unique concave design created by the bow and stern molds creates lift and allows the kayak to go faster. The razor-sharp stern mold creates a super clean exit. With the Sea Eagle RazorLite, you can hit the water anytime.
Ocean Kayak introduces the Banzai, a sit-on-top kayak for kids. Available in bright colors and measuring in at a kid size 9.5 feet in length, this kayak is maneuverable and lightweight. The Banzai features a molded-in, low-profile, kid-friendly seat that allows easy movement and more mobility for small bodies. It's a simple and effective seat design, and kids are sure to find it comfortable when paddling for longer periods. The molded-in footwells allow for easy leg positioning for kids of all different sizes, and can even fit larger teens and longer legs without a problem. The Banzai features our innovative tag-along tether system, which allows adults to easily attach the Banzai to their own kayak for towing. This is especially useful in windy conditions or if the child becomes tired while paddling and needs a little extra help. At the bow and stern of the kayak are kayak handles that feature contoured finger grips for extra comfort when carrying the kayak. The Banzai also features an easy-to-use side carry handle, and this lightweight kayak can be transported by one person without difficulty. If your kids are looking for fun on the water, look no further than the Ocean Kayak Banzai.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.